boys and girls. We're going off to Letterland again today. I've got 2 new Letterlanders that we're going to meet today. The first one we're going to meet is this quarrelsome queen. She looks angry. She looks upset. She is very quarrelsome, which means she likes to argue with everybody in Letterland. This is what she looks like. She's got the queen face inside of the circle of her letter, and her Q slides back. Her Q slides back with her hair. This is what she looks like in stories, and usually she's paired with another Letterlander that we're going to meet later. His name is Uppy Umbrella. Usually those two are stuck together like glue. But this is the quarrelsome queen. She says "quah" in words. That's a K and a W stuck together. Say it with me. Quah, quah, quah. Quarrelsome queen. Quah. All right, here are some vocabulary cards for the quarrelsome queen. The quarrelsome queen loves to write letters, and she does it with this quill. This quill is like a feather. She dips that feather in impy ink and writes her letters in Letterland. Quarrelsome queen has a special hobby of making quilts. A quilt is a heavy blanket that keeps you warm at night. This quilt has got stars and dots on it. Oh, and stripes too. I love the color blue. So this quilt would make me very happy. And the last thing that Quarrelsome Queen does is she asks a lot of questions. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing that? She asks questions. So that is Quarrelsome Queen. Our new other Letterlander is Red Robot. And Red Robot is a robot who takes things from others. Now, is that the right thing to do? No. So Red Robot is kind of a naughty Letterlander. As you can see, he has taken some toys. Looks like a skate and a telephone. That naughty Red Robot. Red Robot starts words like rat, rest, and run. And look at him. He's got on roller skates. This is what Red Robot looks like in stories. So we will see this letter quite often. I have 2 R's in my name. Do you have any R's in your name? Red Robot makes the sound R, R, like red, R, R, run. So we need to make sure we're saying that R sound when we see Red Robot. Of course, Red Robot's favorite color is red. That was our color last week. So we are going to meet the blue color this week. And I know Bouncy Ben loves the color blue. Red Robot wants to ride on a rocket. I think riding a rocket would be fun. I don't know where it would take me, though. Don't know if I would be very safe riding a rocket. But this is a big red rocket that Red Robot likes to ride. And all of us girls love a beautiful ring. This ring has a ruby in the top. That ruby is bright red. He loves to run off with things, and he likes to take rings. That naughty robot. Well, I hope these 2 Letterlanders, Q, the Quarrelsome Queen, and R, Red Robot, are going to be added to our Learning with Letterland. We'll see you guys later.